Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to the channel. I am really happy to see you here today. Thank you for giving me your valuable time. I truly appreciate you being here with me. Many people ask me one simple question again and again. How can I improve my English speaking skills? If you are asking this question, please remember one thing. You are not weak. You are learning. You are moving forward step by step. Today, I will share simple and practical steps that can help you speak English with more confidence, without fear, without pressure. This journey is slow, but it is real. So relax, take a deep breath, feel comfortable where you are, and let's begin. Part 1. Change your thinking about English. First of all, you must change the way you think about English. Your mindset decides your progress. English is not a test. English is not an exam. English is not something to be afraid of. English becomes easy when the mind is calm. English is just a language, a tool for communication. It helps us share thoughts and feelings.
You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need big vocabulary. You only need clear and simple words. Simple words can express deep meaning. When your mind feels safe, your tongue starts working. Confidence begins inside the mind. So stop saying, "I am bad at English." These words make learning harder. Start saying, "I am improving every day." Say it with belief and patience. Part 2. Think in English, slowly. Many learners translate in their mind. This makes speaking very slow and difficult. Translation creates pressure and confusion. Instead, start thinking in English, but do it slowly. Slow thinking builds strong foundations. For example, I am walking. I am sitting. I am watching this video. These are simple but powerful sentences. Say these sentences in your mind during your daily life. English can become part of your routine. Do not rush. Do not force. Learning grows best in a relaxed state. Small English thoughts create strong English speaking skills. Little habits create big change.
Part 3. Speak to yourself daily. This is one of the most powerful habits. It costs nothing, but gives great results. Speak to yourself in English every day. Your voice needs regular use. When you are alone, talk about simple things. Your daily life is the best classroom. What did I do today? How do I feel now? What will I do next? These questions build natural fluency. You don't need anyone. You don't need permission. You are your own best teacher. Your voice needs practice, not an audience. Confidence grows in quiet moments. Part 4. Use easy daily sentences. Do not memorize difficult sentences. They often confuse more than help. Use easy daily life English. This is how real people speak. For example, I am trying my best. I need some time. I am learning slowly. I am not sure, but I will try. These sentences are simple and useful. Simple English is real English. Clear words create clear communication. Fluency does not come from big words. Fluency comes from comfort. Comfort brings natural flow.
Part 5. Listen more. Speak naturally. Listening is very important. It trains your brain quietly. Listen to easy English videos, slow conversations, real-life English.
Listening improves understanding naturally. Do not try to understand every word. Understanding grows with time. Just listen. Your brain is learning silently. Learning continues even when you don't notice it. Speaking will come naturally when listening becomes a habit. Good listeners become good speakers. Part 6. Accept mistakes with a smile. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are signs of progress. Mistakes are your teachers. Each mistake shows effort. Every mistake means, I am trying. Trying is always better than staying silent. If someone laughs, remember they once made mistakes too. Everyone starts as a beginner. Confidence grows when fear becomes smaller. Fear disappears with practice. Speak first. Correct later. Communication matters more than perfection.
Part 7. Practice a little every day. You don't need hours. You don't need pressure. Learning should feel light, not heavy. Your mind learns better when it feels relaxed. Just 5 to 10 minutes every day. Small effort creates strong habits. Even a short practice can make a big difference. Consistency is more important than speed. Slow progress is still progress. Moving slowly is better than stopping completely. One small step every day is better than one big step once a month. Daily action builds lasting confidence. Confidence grows quietly, without noise. Outro. Emotional and encouraging. My dear friends, this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you feel a little calmer now. Remember, you don't need to speak perfect English. Perfection is not the goal. Connection is more important than correctness. You only need to speak a little better than yesterday. Growth happens little by little. Every small improvement matters. Trust yourself. Be kind to yourself. Your effort matters more than results. Your journey is unique and valuable. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps this learning family grow. Together, we create a safe place to learn. We are learning together. And you are doing great. Believe in yourself every single day. You are stronger than you think. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.